Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. Today we are going to learn an interesting topic in the Excel series, and the topic today is the heat map in Excel. Heat maps are visual in Excel which are used to visualize the trends or relationship using color scales of conditional formula. In the right hand side you can see two heat maps. One on the top is using the blue, white and red color scale in order to visualize the data. The second one is using green, yellow and red color scale, and this is how heat map looks like. Without spending much time on theories of how heat map looks like, let's understand it with an example in Excel. But before proceeding, I would request to subscribe to my channel if you are new to this video, and also hit the bell icon so that you get the notification every time new video is uploaded. Alright, now I am switching to Excel workbook to show how we can create heat map in Excel. So here we have some cities of Indian state and some months of any particular year, and the temperature of each month for each cities is being recorded. Before we create the heat map, we should have two questions in mind, or more than two questions. So basically we want to ask the Excel, hey Excel, which is the city having the highest temperature and in which month? Number one. Number two, which is the city having the lowest temperature and in which month? So to get the answer of these questions, we can create heat map, and by seeing the color scale we can easily identify that which city is having the highest temperature and lowest temperature. So let's see how we can create a heat map using this data. To create the heat map, first we need to select all data. To do so, click on any cell and then press Ctrl Shift left arrow, then Ctrl Shift down arrow to select the entire data. Now go to Home tab, and inside the Home tab you will get Conditional Formatting tab. Click on that and go to Color Scales. So in the Excel we are having multiple combinations of color scales like this one and this one. But normally when we are representing any graphic of any temperature, then the higher temperature is being represented with red color and lower temperature is represented with blue color. If that combination of blue, white and red is not available, then we can also customize it using the conditional formatting. And luckily Excel is having that combination, that blue, white and red is there, so it satisfies our condition. So let's select this color combination, and now from this heat map we can clearly see that Delhi is the city having the highest temperature during June to August, that is 104, 106, 104 like that, and Shillong is having the minimum temperature and in January as well as in the month of December or November. So using this heat map we can see that which city is having the highest temperature and which city is having the lowest temperature and in which months. But this is not the perfect heat map. To improvise it, we need to do some custom formatting. Now the question is, do we really need the number of the temperature figure given in the cell? The answer is no. We don't want the figure in the cell. That is why we are creating the heat map. So if we want to remove this number from the cell, then one way is to delete the number from the cell. If we delete this number, then the heat map will also go away, because the map is not getting any reference from the Excel to get the color reference. So we cannot delete the temperature figure from the cell. So let's undo it. Now we have to think of another option. So another option which comes into our mind is to change the font color to the color which is more or less same to the background. But here we are trying to change with the white color, so it is better when we compare to the previous one, but still it is not perfect because we can still see the white color in this background except those which are in absolute white. But here are mix of colors, so we cannot set the white color also. So the other way is to select it and change the formatting of the cell. So each cell is having some number and the format now is in general. We want to do some custom formatting. So to do the custom formatting, the shortcut key is press Ctrl 1 and then it will open the format cells dialog box. Select the custom and in place of general you type 3 semicolon 1 2 3. If you format any cell with the 3 semicolon, then the content of that cell will be hidden. So let's see, press OK. Now all the values inside the cell has been hidden because we have made the format of these cells with semicolon. So this is how the heat map looks like. Now without looking actual value of the cells, we can still say that which city is having the highest temperature. So Delhi is having the highest temperature in the month of June, July, August. Like that, Shillong is having the lowest temperature in the month of January, February, as well as November, December, and so on. And there are some moderate temperature for Chennai during June, July, like that. So this is how we can create a heat map and present the temperature graph very beautifully. If you find this video is useful, please hit the like button and also drop your comments. And that's it for this lecture on heat map. We will be seeing you in the next lecture with another video. See you then. Take care. Bye bye.